welcome to Touch Coding YouTube channel. So in this video we will find out the maximum and the minimum value in an array using divide and conquer. So by using this method we will divide the problem or a list into sub problems and then combine the solution of the sub problems to get the answer. So suppose we have an array of size 8, so where n is equal to 8. So we will place the array, as we all know what is an array, and we will put the index numbers. So consider the lowest. We can consider this, the index 0 as a low or I, and this as that is nothing but 7, that is n minus 1 as high or j. So here now we will divide this list into two lists. So into two lists. How to do that? We can use I plus j divided by 2 or low plus high divided by 2. So now, so that is this is the low, so that is 0, plus high is 7 divided by. So after dividing, so 0 plus 7 divided by 2, we will get 3.5. We will take the integer value 3. So now we will now we have two lists. So which is one is from low to mid and other way one is from mid plus 1 till j. Okay, so we will divide it. So we will, after dividing, so the list is like this. Again further we'll divide this list until we have at least two elements or at least one element in the list. So again we will divide it by using the same formula, mid is equal to I plus j divided by 2. So after dividing, now at this position, obviously now we have two elements. So we can say that either one of the element is maximum and one of the element is minimum. So we'll find out. So just to avoid confusion, I will use here max 1 and min 1. So again we will find out the max 1 is 4 and min 1 is 3. So again max is 9, max is 12, min is 9, max 1 is 6 and min 1 is 2. Now we will compare these two elements, in which, and after the comparison, which is the maximum, we will give it, we will take it. So now max and max 1, which is the maximum, 9, so 9. Min and min 1, which is the lowest, min 1. Again same in case of this this list also. Then again after this, again we will do another comparison, and that time we will get the final answer. So the maximum is 12 and the minimum is 2 in the entire list. So this method is a very efficient method compared to all other methods to find out the maximum and minimum, as we have linear method. So this divide and conquer method is an efficient method. Now we will see to the algorithm. So in this algorithm, that is maximum and minimum, we have two values, that is nothing but I, j or low, high. So first, what? As if I already said, by chance. So that is condition 1. If I is equal to j, which means in an array we have only one element. For example, only one element. This element only will be the maximum also. This element will be the minimum also. If this condition is true, that is if I is equal to j. So at that time, whatever. So we can consider, we can say at is a of I or a of 0, nothing, one other same. So we will assign these value. This is only equal to maximum also. This is only equal to minimum also. Then otherwise, so for example, now this condition applies for when we have two elements in a list. For example, 0, 1. So we have 5 and 4. Okay, we have two elements. Else if I is equal to j minus 1. So I is equal to j minus 1. Now I is what? 0. J minus 1 is what? Now j is what? 1. So 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So then this condition is true and we have only two elements. So that time we will go into the condition if a of I is greater than a of j. If a of I is greater than a of j. So obviously a of I will be the maximum and a of j will be the minimum. Otherwise, a of j will be the maximum and a of I will be the minimum. So if suppose we have more than two elements in an array, for example, we have at least, like you can say 4 or 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So we have these many elements. So if we have more than 2 elements, so this else block will take care. So again the formula that we will divide. So mid is equal to I plus j divided by 2. And the max min function, we will call this function recursively. And first we will find out the maximum and minimum value of the half part. That is nothing but from I to mid. Okay, from I to mid. So we will pass the two values I comma mid. So after passing this, we will get maximum and minimum value, because this algorithm will work and this function will work, and we will get the maximum and minimum value. So these maximum and minimum value, what we will do, we will assign it to another variable. So we will assign it to max1 and min1. So why we do this, I will say it. So then again, after which again we will recursively call the function. Now we will find the maximum and the minimum value from mid plus 1 till j. From here till here we will find out. So and again after finding out, we will get the maximum and minimum. So to avoid the confusion, at the first time whatever we get the maximum and minimum value, we will assign it to another variable, and after this after the second recursive call, we'll again get the value of the maximum and minimum. So for that this is the reason why we assign it to another variable. Then after which we will compare if max is less than max1, which means max is less than max1, which means max1 is greatest. Max1 is the maximum number. So the max1 value will be assigned to max. Then next condition, if min is greater than min1, which means min is greater than min1. So here the min1 value is lesser. So the min1 value will be assigned to the minimum. So that's it. So this is the method through which we find out the maximum and minimum value through divide and conquer method. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt, please mention your doubts in the comment section. Thank you.